Hey guys, Jason Harris, Ozark Mountain Adventures. We're got some compressors to show you this evening. We've got a Superflow dual compressor. It's a pretty nice kit. It comes with a soft bag and a lot of accessories. And we also got the Air Armor Special Ops. It's a self-contained deal. It's in an ammo can. It's pretty neat. We're going to be airing up my 33-inch Falcon from absolute flat to 35 psi and see what the time difference is. 4 minutes, 10 seconds on the little single Air Armor Special Ops according to Gates, 35 psi. All right, we're going to air this tire back down to 0. We're going to try the dual compressor, see what it does. Same deal, we're starting at 0 psi and we're going to go to 35. How do you get this preset?
Yep, preset it. Okay. Just hit the blue arrow whenever you're ready.
Ready. Yes.
Almost 30. There.
2 minutes and 46 seconds.
Big difference.
The Superflow dual unit definitely was a lot faster and would make airing up all 4 tires a lot less of an annoyance. It definitely a pretty decently built unit. It's got a steel frame, steel base with some rubber pads underneath. Good grab handle, and you got a nice switch with some protection, it looks like, on it. Alligator clips are good and strong, all copper. Me and Tatum both, we agree that the hose is kind of chintzy. The single compressor comes with a real nice rubber hose, whereas this is that PVC stuff with some generic ends that you can't find anywhere if you want to do accessories. So at purchase, you may want to do some modifying to it in order to be able to get a better hose. For 100, the price ended up being $179. So $179, that's a very good, in my estimation, it's a very good value for a relatively really fast compressor as portable compressors can go. Don't really know how it compares to like an ARB twin because I don't have one. I never have sold one, but I could live with this, and I'm gonna actually add that to my mess of stuff that I stuff in the back of my Land Cruiser, and give it a long-term tryout, and I'll give you a review after about a year and see how it's held up.